Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a single image that matches your display resolution so it looks sharp. Once chosen, move it into a simple folder path you can remember. Make sure the file type is compatible with your PC, like JPG or PNG. If the image is too large, resize it now to the display dimensions. This saves time later and prevents automatic scaling artifacts. When done, keep the file name short and avoid special characters, so the system reads it without errors. You open Settings and go directly to Personalization, then Background, to begin applying the image. Click Picture and then browse to select the file you prepared. This is the actionable step that tells Windows which image to use. Next, pick the Fit option and consider Fill or Fit for best results. Fill covers the screen without distortion, while Fit shows the whole image with potential borders. Once set, wait a second for the system to apply and preview the result on your desktop. You finalize by checking multiple monitors and choosing span or setting images per display if needed. If the wallpaper doesn't stick, make sure OneDrive or a sync app isn't overriding your setting. Disable sync temporarily and reapply. Also check for third-party wallpaper management tools and close them. If permissions prevent change, run settings as administrator or sign out and back in. Finally, refresh the desktop or reboot. That usually clears transient issues and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.